You're so funny. She has started cleaning already.
Yes, so.
Oh my God.
We are moving to a new
house.
I so much love it.
Oh my God. Thank you for coming over. Like, guys, you won't even believe it. She volunteered to help me. Can you imagine that? She volunteered to help me. I did not ask her to come and help me. She volunteered. That is why I said in my previous video that I am so blessed. I'm super blessed with amazing people. By the way, so once you come into the house like so, let me close the door and start from here. This is the hallway, and by my left here is my kitchen. This is my favorite part of this house. Hi. You can see my legs there, and yep, this is it. I have a lot of cabinets here. My oven, very new, brand new. And I have 5 burners here, which is amazing. Here is the sink. This is my favorite part of this house, seriously, guys. It looks almost like my old kitchen, and this is the floor. I like the color of the tiles. So now, coming out from the kitchen, and by the way, this is the door, the glass door and the wood, and this is the back. Now coming out from the kitchen, still on the hallway, you come straight, and this is the living area, which is also my second favorite part of this house. This is what it looks like. The same color of floor, as you can see. Here is our cleaning products. We came with our cleaning products because we are here to clean up the house. And that's the hallway again, the door I came in from. And then still from the hallway, you enter here. Actually, this is another door. It's a slidable door. Just slide it like this, and you have the second hallway like so. Coming here is my princess room. This is Favor's room. Her bed is going to be here, and probably put a table like a dresser here, and here is her light, and this door leads to the balcony. This is the balcony. Yes. Okay. So let's move over to the bathroom. Actually, I have 2 bathrooms here. That's my sweet and amazing sister. She's doing the job already. I'm coming to join you, please. So coming over here, this is the first bathroom. This is what you see. This is where I'm going to be putting all my detergents. You guys have been complaining of how I kept the other one on the floor in my other apartment. Don't worry, guys, you will not be seeing that again. And here as well, the sink, mirror, and the shower. We have shower here, as you can see, our toilet, the window, and this is where we are going to keep our washing machine. Now coming out from the first bathroom, here is the second bathroom, which is my absolute favorite. This is what it looks like. We have a tub here. Can you see? This place is so beautiful, guys. You need to see it in real life. So beautiful. Oluchi said yes. So I love it. And this one has like a huge mirror. It's almost like the one I have in the other apartment. And here is this and this, and up there I have some shelf there. And this is the door. This is the door. Okay, and oh my goodness, guys, this is a huge wardrobe or cupboard. Yeah, cupboard, huge one. Oh, I have so many space here to pack all my things. Unlike the other apartment, I don't have any space. Everything is just managing. Look at so many space. I'm so grateful. Look, and this is the other side. Like, so many space. I don't even know what to do with them. And I still, okay, the huge cupboard, I still have another one under here. Guys, can you see? So much space to put in my stuff, and I love this. I've been wanting to own one of these. Now I have it. If I want, I can shower here. If I want, I can use the other bathroom. Okay, coming out from this bathroom now is my master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Okay, oh my goodness, this is my favorite. Like, I've been wanting to own one of these dresser, and it has a mirror up there. So beautiful, guys. I have a lot of space to put things here, like a lot of space, a lot. And look at the wall. Can you see how they built it? And that's actually the light. They did not put any light on top here, so this is where they placed it. And this is the bed with the stands. We don't know if we are going to be using this bed or bringing our previous bed here. I don't know yet, but it goes with this here. It goes with it. It came with it, and it also came with this wardrobe. It's very tall and beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. You don't even know how happy I am. Look at, enough space to store stuff here. And then here is the mirror. Hi, guys. And when you open it, it's just like so. This is the top down to the bottom. Okay, and this is the last part. It has like 3 sides here, which is amazing. The other one we have in our other apartment is just 2 sides, and all my clothes are in the Ghana must go bag, which makes me actually forget some of them, but now I can actually hang them. And this is my view. So beautiful. And down there, guys, we have like a park there where I can take the kids to play. You don't even know how much I love this place. It's so beautiful. Okay, let me close this first. Ooh. Okay, coming out from the room, we have another one here, which is where my friend is cleaning. I feel so guilty now. Like you are cleaning and I'm here making a video. I'm coming to join you. I just want to quickly show them the house. So this is another room. We have like 3 bedrooms here. So this is going to be Joshua and Caleb's room. 1 bed here and the other one there. And then we have like a small dressing table there. Here, or maybe put the dressing table here. I don't know where it's going to be. And here they have their lights up here. So again, this is the hallway, the second hallway that leads to Favor's room, the first or the second bathroom, and the other bathroom here, and the living room, and my favorite part, which is my office, the kitchen. And this is the other hallway that leads to the staircases. And here we have like this long curtain and this light, because they actually don't have any light here. They did not make any room for that. So this is what we are going to be using. And this thing here, we don't know if we are going to be taking it off or leaving it, but I think it adds to the beauty of this living room, so I would prefer to leave it. And this is the door that leads to the other balcony, which is from the living room. It's very long, can you see? And it goes all the way here. And this is my friend cleaning. Can you see her there? So I have like a huge balcony, like from here you curve and go all the way down there. Let's go in again. This is how this place looks. So beautiful, guys. I've been wanting to own a house that looks like home, not a house that looks like office. Though I love that my previous apartment, but it's just like an office, basically, just like an office. They didn't make it as somewhere a man with his family can live. It's just like a single man's house. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Back to my favorite place. Oh, these 5 burners is giving me life. Giving me life. Or maybe I should also open the cabinets. Yup. Yes. Yes. Okay, Hugo. Ha. You see? This is the plate rack. Oh, easy, Jessica, easy. I have here, you see? And I have this thing that is awesome. Beautiful. The first time we came here, I did not see it. It was Caleb that made me notice we have something like this. Beautiful. And here, see how it closes? And here, I guess where I put my pots. And this is the freezer, small freezer. This one is just like the previous one I have there. Up there you can store something there. And this is the main fridge. Ooh. You see? Okay, let's go and start cleaning. Sister Lee is helping me to sweep the top of the kitchen cabinets, because this ladder here is very light. It can't carry me. I am very huge. I'm very huge. I'm so huge. Oh, so she's helping me. Once she's done, I'll start cleaning every other part of the kitchen, and she will go back to the room to clean. Thank you so much. God bless you for grosso. Okay. This woman is so awesome, guys. That is why I always tell you to go and check her channel and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Yes. So it will not cost you anything, okay? She's very funny, very, like, so amazing. Thank you so much. Whew. Okay. I need to first of all remove everything here. It's not that it's too big, it's the same thing with the other the same size. But this one is more beautiful. Yes. So everything here is more beautiful. Okay. going to pour some baking soda inside there and some white vinegar. This is just a DIY. My friend came with it. She said, oops, she said she has a powder and ammonium. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's what it says. It's just for glasses. And by the way, I have my gloves. Wow, it works so well, like magic. And it smells so nice. You will teach me this one. Oh. Okay guys, I will talk to you guys when we are done cleaning. Okay, I just want to concentrate and do this cleaning, so at least you've seen that we are here to clean the house. So talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, we are done cleaning. Everywhere is sparkling clean now, like so refreshing, and it's glittering. Yes. Okay, please guys, I want you guys to thank this woman for me. Like, what would I have done without her? Because my husband is doing night shift, as some of you know, and he came back from work. He's at home with the kids. There's no way we can come here with the kids to be doing this. That means we are not going today. So this woman volunteered to help so that my husband can take care of the kids while both of us do the cleaning. Thank her for me, and to thank her more, I want you to go to her channel and subscribe. She's amazing. Like, thank you so much. So I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description box below, so make sure you check her out. We'll talk to you guys later. We're about to go now. My husband is here to pick us because she's going to pick her kids from the school. So we'll see you in our next video.
Yes, so.
Yes.
But it's good to help somebody.
Yeah, my husband is here. Let me go and open the door. You can talk.
Bye guys. See you in my video.
I can't wait to show you guys when we park in here. I can't wait to park in. We have less than 2 weeks to park in. She's so funny. Oh, so see you in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of this house, and subscribe, okay? Ciao ciao. Ci vediamo dopo.